Morning after reporting a wider than expected loss on the bottom line here. Ticker symbol POSH, right now down by about 2.2%. Okay, so some of the numbers here. Total revenue up 9% year over year, $89.1 million there. Gross merchandise value increased 8% year over year, as it should, $483.5 million. Poshmark, in this business, it should be having a time as people are reemerging into some of the social settings, and quite frankly, they're looking for any opportunity, especially on the upper end, I think, for some of the higher value, typically higher cost fashion pieces that are primed for consignment to be able to get those at a lower cost on a platform like Poshmark. And so, I mean, I don't know, this just reminds me of my days living in Bushwick and going to all the consignment stores, walking around down there with Knickerbocker.
Nice. Yeah, I will say this, and we've been very critical of Poshmark here for some time, but this is probably the best earnings report they have put up since going public. Now, it's crazy to say that because they lost a lot of money, but it looks like their business in July accelerated early in August, and some of that momentum continued into August. Immediately, you're thinking the company is off to a good back-to-school shopping season as people perhaps trade down from malls looking for some designer threads for a cheap price. So that is good. And then secondarily, it looks like they found religion on expenses. So a lot of other tech companies, you're hearing Poshmark start to slow up on hiring, manage some of their costs, maybe reach profitability quicker than a lot of other folks thought.
One metric as well that they point out, their trailing 12-month active buyers, that was a record for this quarter. 8 million is what they reached, 14% year-over-year increase from 7 million in the second quarter of 2021, while you also saw the gross merchandise volume increase year-over-year for the past 18 quarters there.
I like that box. See a little box there on the screen right there? That's Manish Chandra. He's coming up soon. Poshmark founder and CEO. Looking forward to catching up with Manish. Longtime retail executive, really plugged into a lot of key trends in retail. Good to connect with him.
Absolutely.